Hello, welcome at ISE 2025. We are at AAEON booth and we're going to show now our custom server here. One of our products that we fully customize for our customers. This one specifically it's built for large language model, so it includes a powerful AMD W7900 GPU with 48 GB of RAM. The server itself includes also an AMD processor, Ryzen 9, and 64 GB of DDR5. Software-wise, we also fully customize with including the customer preferred operating system. Here we have Ubuntu with Ubuntu Pro license with 10 years support, and it comes pre-installed also with open source software, Ollama server, with choice of open source large language model to be used as personal assistant. We can show here how we can talk to the personal assistant and see the interaction with the large language model. Hello, what can you see from the picture? The large language model analyzes the question, looking at the picture captured with the camera. The GPU is going to support the large language model generation, and here you can see the answer coming up on the screen. We can, together with the customer request, define a fully custom solution. Here you see it's a 2U, but we can build systems from a small mini PC to big 2U and 4U rack or workstation systems. And the selection of GPU varies from AMD, Intel, but of course also NVIDIA and NVIDIA professional GPUs for the specific need of the customer. Thank you.